thing is now.
Okay, here you go. Hi, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
That is for Mom and Joe. The same. That blue. Come on, quickly.
Yeah, it has Mickey Mouse on it.
Yeah. Yeah, that is very nice.
Oh, wrapped it good and tight.
Ooh.
Ah, a bunch of M&M's.
Yeah, a bunch
You
of.
think I had enough
Nice.
freaking
Yeah, there is Frankie.
From last year.
Thanks.
That last year.
Thanks, Mom.
Okay, let me see. You remove all the way so you
No
can
way.
see.
Yo, this sucks.
Yeah.
Where's the rest of the bag?
Yeah,
Doesn't matter.
Nice.
yeah, you know what? Good. Ah.
We are watching the one last night over
Nice.
there. Last year. Oh, that one. Chocolate. More yum yum. Put in the front. Yeah, put in
You
the
probably
front.
asked you to when you
Yeah.
wanted, right?
I didn't even know.
Merry
Okay.
Christmas 2020.
What the heck is that?
Our house is no a Christmas tree
This one's
because
mine
it's
too,
under
right, Mom?
renovation, huh?
This one's mine too.
Yeah, that one too.
Yeah,
That
it
one
has a
is
Mickey Mouse
yours.
on it.
Okay, come on. That is yours because it's Mickey Mouse.
Oh, it's the
You
box.
see, if Mickey Mouse is what it meant to say.
Yeah, it's instant noodles.
Yeah.
Ah.
Ooh.
Is that what I think it is?
Oh,
He can remove it.
there you go.
See, look at it.
oh.
Merry Christmas 2020. We don't have Christmas tree decoration, but we have a little bit decoration, all flowers.
Maybe next year.
Yeah, they're the gift of Nathaniel on the
Wait a second.
birthday.
Wait a minute.
Yay!
More dinos.
Yeah.
Wow, I've always seen this one at the store.
Yeah.
Nice. Thanks.
Remove that thing. You remove all. You let me see one by one. What you have
Get a bunch of stuff
in there? See? Yeah, a lot of bunch of stuff. Where's the other? Put in there in the front, so I can see on my picture. See?
Damn, there's one.
Yeah, they're the
foot
photo of Frankie.
Then on stand.
2, 3,
That looks cool.
4,
And the big.
and the
big
big T-Rex.
The big boy.
I repeat already how to get that?
Yo, look at
Did I
that.
repeat? You have already that one or that's new one?
Oh, that's a new one. This is one I've always eyed on when I went to the store, but never.
Yeah.
But I was always
Yeah.
like, nah.
Yeah, that one is a robot.
Yeah.
It's gonna move the tail.
Yep, light up eyes, ferocious rolling, and
Yeah.
can stomp.
Yeah.
Nice.
And then those small one is nice too, huh?
Oh yeah.
They're
like
very
this
nice.
More to add to the
That's your
collection.
favorite color.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
Dang, I want to get the thing I want to try.
Dang.
That is your
Yeah.
Christmas gift for me and Joe, okay?
Mhm.
That is nice. You like it?
Yep.
I know you like always
Oh my god, this
now.
thing is heavy.
Yep.
Now we are go to Frankie. Yeah, Frankie. Oh, you enjoy it that thing, huh?
Yep.
Okay. I know you like dinosaur, that's why. Oh, now we go to Frankie. Oh,
We're gonna open
Frankie,
this damn
Frankie. Oh, you really need a scissor with that.
Oh my
Just
god.
rip it. Oh wait, no.
Yeah, okay. How?
Yeah, no. My
Just destroy the thing. Destroy it. Don't keep the
Yeah,
thing because if you keeping, they said, if you keep the thing, and then you're gonna don't have any more present because you are keeping the wrapper.
that's what they say.
Oh, I go over here, so it's nice the video of you. I go in here, so you have your background. Mm-hmm. Yay!
Garbage.
Yay! Nathan, can you next the next video, please?
On it.
Yeah, look the next video.
That's because that's yours, man. The next one too, ain't it?
That one. Click the thing.
Look it. No, not there. On the other side.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, there we go.
There you go, man.
That the Christmas
Oh,
the other year. See.
Holy crap.
1 year ago.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Now our Christmas is nothing because no Christmas tree.
Always.
Okay, what you have, Frankie?
Oh yeah, show it. You want me to get the show what you have?
Oh,
I think I look how it
Nice.
ooh,
And this.
that is
Course.
awesome. Yeah.
And this, man, look. How do you know about that already?
Yeah, that the pistachios, but it's different. A different thing. A different. That. Oh.
Here, man, put the stuff inside me. Put the stuff in here.
Okay, one more. One more box for daddy.
Yeah, for Jack.
Yeah, that's for your dad. Destroy them all, that thing I had to.
Which I got another present coming.
Yeah. Plus the very expensive, what the call is?
Virtual reality.
Okay, virtuality. Virtuality.
Virtual reality.
Okay.
It's all VR.
I don't know.
VR.
That are very, very. You know how much is those things? Is for 500 to 1,500
Yeah, and I got it for $400.
dollar.
Yeah, if you're lucky.
I
Yeah.
got lucky next time.
The expensive one is the 1,500.
Yep.
Nathan, change the thing. See, we're stuck in there.
Oh man, this is stuck.
Yeah,
there we go.
that one there. Nathaniel opening
Look,
his
man.
a gift. That is last year.
1 year going on some kind of blue kind of
Now is we don't have. Now is we don't have because
Probably no family left.
the house is under renovation. Maybe next year you can see a good again Christmas tree
Hopefully.
There's always next year.
Hopefully.
because the house is done by March.
This damn box.
The extension of the house is being finished on a March.
Looks like it went to a hell of a.
Yeah.
I like always have a Christmas tree in the house. I don't believe
Oh
with
wow, this is the box I got in the pantry.
I don't believe with
Yeah, there we go.
Finally.
There we go.
Holy crap.
actually Frankie don't need anymore. He has a lot of shoes, a very nice shoes, light. Even Nathaniel. That's why we don't need a clothings to present because we have a lot.
Yeah, please.
They don't even know how. Yeah, again because your dad, you like that.
Oh yeah, the bueno.
Where did I get this?
Oh, that is the one I'm looking for, sugar free.
What I get it?
Your dad give
Give it to
it.
me by accident.
That is the one I'm looking last night. I said I know I have a sugar free chocolate. See,
So I guess it's a gift from both of you.
because I
Both of
cannot
you.
have sugar.
So I guess it's a gift for both of you then.
And here's mine.
Ah, the minis.
Yeah. Now Frankie has this one, but he has a very nice. He has a chocolate too. All is that is he craving.
This.
Chocolate
Yeah.
bar, it looks like.
No, but it's different.
Frankie like chocolates
It's a different.
and pistachios and
color.
everything.
Don't know.
I don't know what flavor that is.
They look interesting though.
Oreos. Well, actually, no, Chips Ahoy. Sorry.
Yeah, Chips Ahoy. Different
Now
brand.
is gifting day. Merry Christmas.
why
So let me
you
see
gotta
what
get
is
that
that.
Oh yeah, the little elf.
Oh, okay.
And this.
Okay.
And this too.
Now you have a lot.
Yep, a lot of snacks.
Mm-hmm.
And just.
Now me.
Yep.
And now is me.
Because I'm in the way.
Okay, I go there. I go there because I would like to.
Video it.
You like to you like to video me, Nathan?
So I'll get my.
Come in
I
here,
want
over
to hand
here,
it to you.
I'll give it a shot.
over
I
here.
want to hand it to you.
Okay, okay, remove that. That is Frankie. Give it to me, but you.
Okay, there we go.
Yay! What a happy day!
I'm cameraman now.
Wow!
Here you go.
Yay! Thank you so much. See, this is the one I'm using for
Streaming.
Videoing,
Live
stream.
Video,
for
whatever.
Yeah, video,
for
streaming,
my
whatever.
YouTube.
Yep.
Streaming, whatever.
Yeah.
Because I'm a YouTuber.
Yep.
Did you see my face? In here.
I zoomed in the box, but yeah, I got your face now. Okay, there we go.
Thank you, Frankie. I really need this.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Okay. That's for the Boxing Day. Okay. Later on, I will do cooking.
Unboxing.
Unboxing.
I knew you were like
Okay. Close the